Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to rotate objects on your Google Slides. So the simplest thing to do would just be to select an object, go to Arrange, go to Rotate, and then you can rotate clockwise 90 degrees, counterclockwise 90 degrees, flip horizontally or flip vertically. If I flip it horizontally, this has symmetry, so I didn't see anything here, but watch what happens when I do it over here. Now it's reversed its orientation. If I take this object and I rotate it 90 degrees, now it's been rotated 90 degrees. But something else that you can do is if you select two objects simultaneously, you can still rotate, flip, and do whatever. So now those two objects have been grouped together and it's also been rotated clockwise 90 degrees. So now I've applied that transformation to the group of those objects as opposed to one single object.